Ladies and gentlemen, what you're looking at is a Cinnamon Toast Crunch float. Now, a Cinnamon Toast Crunch is rum chata and fireball. Watch what we do with this, because we take this in a different direction. So we just muddled real Cinnamon Toast Crunch, and then we drop some caramel syrup. We rim our glass in a caramel syrup, stick it in Cinnamon Toast Crunch. So as you put your lips on that, you're tasting Cinnamon Toast Crunch. And ain't many things taste better than that. Put in some vanilla ice cream. Now we come behind with some fireball. Woo! Yo, man, follow that with some rum chata. Okay, y'all like the huh? Y'all like when I do the huh? I'm getting looks in the office that are not good. Follow with some cream soda, okay? And then we drop in some more ice cream because it's gonna bubble up, okay? But it's going to be delicioso, caramel syrup on top. Stay tipsy, friends, stay tipsy.